How to transfer Google Photos to another account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll guide you on how you can transfer Google Photos to another account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to transfer your Google Photos to another account, go to photos.google.com, or you can also open the Google Photos app instead. When you come to the website or the app, what you want to do is make sure that you're signed into your account, and here you can see all the Google Photos of mine. Now what you want to do is on the left hand side, you will be able to see this option known as sharing. So go to this sharing option, and here you can see partner sharing. What we're going to do is we are not transferring, but we are basically sharing it to some other Google account. And when you share it to them, they will be able to see all of your Google Photos, and they can download the Google Photos and you can remove it from yours. So just click the get started next to the partner sharing option. Only show photos since this day, or you can just select a specific date. You can choose photos to include all photos or only photos of certain people. Depending upon what you like, you can just select all photos, click on the next option. Make sure to simply select the email address of the person that you want to share your photos to. Click the next option. Once you select the next option over here, you will be able to go ahead and then basically share all of these photos to other people. This way you'll be able to transfer your Google Photos to another account. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.